Hello everyone, it's my honor to be here. I'm Emily, the market operation of Harvestron. Harvestron is a sustainability agriculture powered by AI. There are three big problems of the modern day agriculture. First, the shortage of workforce on the fields. Second, manual farming activities like fruit picking are time consuming. And lastly, the climate variability is a great concern for the farmers. Precision agriculture seeks to use less to grow more. More specifically, it maximizes the output of the productions, solves the landscape variability, and address the key farming management with little human intervention as possible. Along this line, I present you Harvestron, an autonomous harvesting drone. So, what does Harvestron do? It autonomously navigates around the fruit orchard, does the real-time fruit detections and picking, and also analyzes the fruit yield for the optimized result. And now, how does it do it? It does it by our novel pathfinding algorithm that finds the shortest and the safest navigation pathway through the agriculture fields. The second thing it does is the real-time fruit detections and picking. By the way, these are our results from our recent experiment and we're still improving. Lastly, our cloud solutions enable users to do the quality inspections, fruit yield estimation, and optimizations profits. Here's our target customer. Harvestrons will focus on the individual farmers and government agriculture industry. The food demand in the market remained the same despite the outbreak of COVID-19 because food is an essential. According to the market, the agriculture business had worth US 2.5 billion in 2019 across the whole nations of Australia and predicted to grow by 5 billion in 2025. We are aware of our competitors. However, there are few. Companies like Bitwise Agronomy and Tevel Aerobatics have challenges like shorter flight time, a limited number of fruit coverage, and restricted mobility. On the other hand, we, Harvestron, solve this problem by introducing the charging platform, detecting multiple fruits, and using drones for high mobility. Here's our breakout for a roadmap. In the first stage, we plan to develop a prototype and perform exhaustive tests. And next, we do our first pilot with 5 regional farms with agriculture Victoria. This will help us to building out the audience. Last but not least, in stage 3, we will produce to have a product launch to a bigger market. So, why choose us? We are inspired by our three core values. We prioritize our customer in providing cost-effective, custom solutions to our clients. And here, let's meet our amazing Harvestron team, Arun, Makara, and myself, Emily. Especially thanks to our three mentors for the guidance and assistance. And of course, Deakin LaunchPad for providing this opportunity platform for Harvestrons. And before we end, let's enjoy a short video for our result of Harvestrons. And that's all for us. Catch you guys next time. Bye bye.